Okay, Mohammed, can you tell me how do you feel after you finished your work with Andras? It was a very long and tiring job, I think.
Yeah, 3 years. Get 3 years to finish this book. My feeling very different. It's, first time I am happy because finish this book 2 times. I'm afraid sometimes because my story for everybody now, and everybody knows my story. But okay, this book usually get to me new life because I am put it myself inside. Everybody read this book, and this not my story alone. This story for millions and millions and millions Palestinian and Syrian people coming to here to Europe after the war there, after the big problem. The imperialism do this, and the regime, dictator regime do this with people. They come into here to get safety, to get a little bit good life. Yeah, of course, this I'm speak about everybody, not just about my story. This you can see this story copy for everyone coming to here to Europe, from Syria, from Palestine.